as the business was growing, they realized quickly, hey, we need to do something different. At the time, the owners were all in on, let's do something automated. Right. And that's how they came up with the concept for the VMC, or what we call the Valpak Manufacturing Center. Yeah. So we have 380 production employees in our facility, but we service the whole U.S. with that amount of volume, just with those little bit of people.
That's amazing. Hi, this is Dave Swain with What They Think. With me is Doug Madgwick, who is the Director of Production for Valpak. And Doug, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So tell me a little bit about Valpak.
So Valpak started in 1985 in someone's garage with a very small press. He came up with this idea to create coupons that he would mail in his neighborhood. Mm-hmm. The business took off. He built a brick and mortar facility. We transitioned that facility to our production facility in 2006. Which is now the most state-of-the-art printing facility in the world. Yeah. We mail to 425 million homes on average a year and produce 19 billion coupons out of our facility. 19 billion with a B. Yes. And we're projected for about 500 million and 24 billion this year.
Wow.
But we also do produce a product on our Canon Pro Stream. It's called our +1 postcard. It's a ride-along address label that goes with some of our envelopes. Mm-hmm. So it's a good way for smaller businesses to get into that market space. Those pieces are about 24 cents a piece in the regular market. The product that we developed, the +1, is 12 cents. Wow. So it gives people that don't have big marketing dollars the ability to get into that space at a very low cost. Right. And they also get to be in the envelope, so they get double exposure. We mail in all kinds of quantities. Our main quantity is 10,000 homes within a zip code of your business, so we don't require you to saturate mail, right, which saves them marketing dollars.
Of course.
And then we also, with the +1, you can be this house, this house, this house. You all go to PetSmart. I know you have cats, you have a dog, and they have birds. I can, on the fly, dynamically change the graphic just based on your address.
Wow. So you have been collecting this data for how many years now?
Since 1985, yes.
Since 1985. So yeah. And when we, everybody talks about AI. It's like the big thing now. AI. And the reality is, unless you have the data, there isn't really.
Right. AI can't do anything.
It can't do anything anyway. Right. Exactly.
So we do utilize AI. We've just started to do that a little bit, but our data set is so large. Yeah. We sell to big printers, commercial printers. We have banks that we deal with that we sell data to. It's at the macro level, so we can very specifically target for certain businesses. So we had a gentleman here that came to our booth. He's like, I just started this business. I don't know how to target customers. It's home remodeling. And we're like, we do that all day long. Yeah. Call our sales guy. We'll get you some data. We'll mail for you, and then we'll give you feedback. So we also provide the feedback with the data as well. So if you're mailing in the right areas to the right people.
You're hitting them all. That's yes. Great. Now, one of the things, I've seen some of the inside, I've seen videos of the inside of your production facility, which is pretty mind-boggling.
Yes.
It's like, I didn't see anybody on the floor. I just saw robots going back and forth. Talk to me about that.
So our facility is, again, like I said, very automated. It's also integrated. So everything is touching and talking to each other. To produce the amount of volume that we produce, we had to do something with automation. Yeah. When they first started the business, everything was stuffed by hand. I mean, they had hundreds of people in there just inserting coupons into the pieces. Right. So, as the business was growing, they realized quickly, hey, we need to do something different. At the time, the owners were all in on, let's do something automated. Right. And that's how they came up with the concept for the VMC, or what we call the Valpak Manufacturing Center. We have 380 production employees in our facility, but we service the whole U.S. with that amount of volume, just with those little bit of people.
That's amazing. Absolutely incredible. And you were there from the beginning, putting that together.
Yes, when I actually started there, I started up one of our large commercial presses. I started as a press operator, so my background is a commercial pressman. Uh-huh. I started up one of the presses. Within a year, I was into business process. So I developed all the internal processes for our whole press department. I wrote all of the SOPs. Yeah. So it's been a journey. I love working there. We have a lot of people come and do tours. A lot of the partners that are here, I invite them down to our plant. They've come in, toured the facility. I show them the Pro Stream. But I still get excited to give the tours.
Well, it's an exciting, as I said, just looking at the videos, it's an exciting production facility. So I would imagine anybody in the business would love to be able to see what and how you do it.
Yeah, and the nice thing is we don't really have any competitors in the market space, so we're the largest direct mailer in the U.S.
Right.
So I don't really have to worry about people coming into my plant and going and walking away and doing what I do.
Yeah.
And it also gives the ability for me to go to other facilities where I'm not a direct competitor, and I can go look at equipment that I otherwise might not be able to because of the commercial side of the business.
Doug, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Great speaking to you.
Yep, absolutely. Pleasure.